So here we are logged into the software ViconLead, and it really couldn't be easier to make your videos interactive. We're going to begin by adding a new video. You're then met with three options: either enter a YouTube link, a Vimeo link, or a self-hosted MP4 video link. For this, I'll just go and grab a YouTube link, go back over, paste it in, add this video. Once the video has been added, you are then in a position to be able to add hotspots to anywhere you like on the video and make them interactive. So to do this, what we're going to do is, I'll first of all mute this so I don't get interrupted. I'm going to play the video. Once I choose where I want to add a hotspot, I simply click add a hotspot. As you can see now, a hotspot's been added. I can move this anywhere that I want on the video. So I'll just keep it there just so I can show you. On the left hand side, I can then change the elements of the hotspot. So to begin with, I can choose a different icon, either scroll through all the icons, just over 575 icons. I can either search for one, because there's so many. I'm just going to get a play button. What I'm then able to do is actually choose the color of the icon. So when I go to color, I can either use this chart, or I can get the exact color if I've got the color code to make it match the video, to make it match the website that I have the video on. I can then choose either small, medium or large with regard to the size. We'll go for large. I can also choose the duration of the time that I want the hotspot to be visible. This is fantastic if I want to create a video around the hotspots. So if I want to point to the hotspot, have it come in at a certain time, then go away at a certain time, I can. The software will even recognize 0.seconds or 10.3 seconds or so be it. So we'll keep that to 5 seconds. When I had a hotspot, what will happen is when I watch the video will continue to play. It won't affect the video. When a person clicks on that hotspot, the hotspot will then open up and it will display what you want it to display. Once they close the hotspot down, the video will continue to play when they're from where they have just left it. Or I can actually use a forced capture, which basically means that once the video is playing, as soon as a hotspot is introduced, the video will pause. It will not start again until the person has clicked on the hotspot, seen what you want to display, and then close that hotspot down, and then the video will display or play again. Now, with regards to what I can put in the hotspots, virtually anything. On the left hand side here, you can see we'll begin with custom embed code. This gives you total flexibility. If there's not an autoresponder that we support, you can add your autoresponder code here. If there's an image that you want to upload with a clickable link, you simply add it to the custom embed code. Just going through a few others before we set one of these. The call to action is basically where that you would add a call to action, and then you would add a link to where you wanted your leads, your customers to go. The telephone is the tap to call feature. So once you add your telephone number, a person can phone you direct. They will do this via searching via a mobile device. They will click on the hotspot. It will connect to their mobile and they'll ring you. So again, leads phoning businesses are extremely powerful. Skype, it will connect to your Skype. You put in your Skype ID, a person can either chat with you or call you. YouTube and Vimeo links, again, self-explanatory. Once a person clicks on it, those videos will be displayed. Instagram will display the images. SoundCloud, where you can play your own MP3 via the SoundCloud into the software. Facebook and Twitter, again, these are things where you can point people in the direction of your social links, whether it be Facebook, whether it be Twitter. MailChimp, SendReach, Airwhipper, Campaign Monitor, GetResponse. Again, these are your autoresponders that you can connect to the software. So let's add a call to action. I'll simply put into title, click here, and then we'll put the button text for instant access. Okay, the link, I'll just use the YouTube link because I have it. Just put it in there. This could be an affiliate link. This could be you pushing someone towards an Amazon product. Okay, whatever link you want to put there, you can. Simply press save. Now, what we'll do, okay, we'll just play the video a little bit longer, say at 10 seconds, and then we'll add another hotspot. So again, you can see that you can add hotspots where you want and when you want them. We'll just change that. We'll change it very quickly. We'll just choose another color. Let's go something that stands out a little bit more, probably more bluey. Okay, and we'll do the duration at 40 in the 5 seconds. And what we'll do here, we'll play a YouTube video. So we'll just add the link and we'll just save that. Now on the right hand side, because you may add more than one hotspot, you may have 10, you may have 20, you may have 100 hotspots. So you've got a bit of housekeeping here on the right hand side. It lets you know the time you've added a hotspot and also the feature that you've added to that hotspot. So say for instance you had 20 hotspots here, you'd click on the hotspot and it'd take you to that exact hotspot. So there's no need to actually play the video and actually go through the video to find your hotspots. It's all done for you here on the right hand side. So what can you do with these videos? Well, the software provides you with an embed code. The embed code, well, basically anywhere that will accept an embed code, let's say for instance a WordPress site, you can put this embed code and it will display the videos and they will be interactive. What you can also do is the software provides you with a URL. This is convenient for you to view the video and check that the video is to your liking, to your taste, and you can also even drive traffic directly to this URL very easy. So let's just play this and display or show what the like.
I've had this problem.
I'll just turn that down. Okay, so on 10, there we are. So the URL, or should I say the hotspot, opens up as I click on here, click here for instant access, click on that, it's going to send me to the video. Okay, once I click that down here on the right hand side, the video will begin to play again. The hotspot will go away, the other hotspot comes in, I click on that.
I've had this.
I can watch a video within a video. Again, all the features that I went through, this is the way that it will be displayed. I'd simply click that and the video will begin to play. Now, say for instance, I wasn't happy with where a hotspot was or what was represented in that hotspot. Okay, I go back to the software, I find the one that I want. We'll go to this one. Okay, I want to change the color. I'm not happy with the color. I'll simply change the color to red. Oh, sorry. Let me just click on that hotspot. Let me just delete that one. Okay, go back to this hotspot. Change the color of this to red. Okay, save that. Now, when I go back to the video preview, if I just refresh that, okay, and I press play again,
I've had this.
and now what you should see is that the hotspot has been updated live. As you can see there, it's now red. Now, this is fantastic. Say, for instance, you had these videos embedded on your website. You don't want to go and have to change any code. You don't want to have to go and create a new video and change them over. So everything that you do within the software updates the actual video where you have it displayed. So there's no need to have to create new videos. If you want to change where the hotspot is, you can do it easily. If you want to change the content within the hotspot, you do it all here and then it will be updated on the live site. Okay, so as you see, when we go back as well to the software, what we can also do with one of the upgrades, let me just kind of open that up and I'll find my JV video. Now, we haven't kind of promoted this at the moment, but what we can do with these videos is actually go and look at the wrong button. Go and look at the analytics of the video. Now, this is fantastic to actually look at the traffic that's coming in. So as you can see, I can see where the traffic has been coming over the last few days, mainly from the US, got the UK as well, even got someone looking from Iran. Okay, as we go down, we can look at the traffic by day. Again, was there a spike in traffic? Why was that spike? Were I doing a promotion? Had I run a solo ad? Were I doing Facebook ads? Okay, so we can look at the traffic by day, the clicks. Now, what's interesting here is that we've had over 120 clicks, pushing on 130 clicks, I would say. Okay, and we've only had 51 visitors. So what this is telling me is that, you know, for each person that's landing on that page, we're at least getting 2 clicks to our links, to our affiliate links, to sign up to our autoresponder. You know, this is making me know, this is realizing that the hotspots are working and enticing people in. What we can also look is the traffic by device type. So desktop, Android, iPhone. Desktop is absolutely crucifying it with regard to the amount of people using desktop. The operating system, the web browser, and the traffic source. Okay, and we can look at the hotspots as well and go into individual hotspots and see the data for them. Okay, what we're also going to show is you can publish these to Facebook tabs, which we're currently going through at this present time, and also we're going to provide the link so you can push these videos directly to newsfeed and they will be interactive on Facebook. The thing with the actual ViconLead is that we haven't just focused on one feature. What I mean by that is we haven't just focused on Facebook. So we haven't just focused that these videos work on Facebook. We've cracked the technology with regards that they both work on Facebook. They also work on websites. So you don't have to be worried on the fact that if it's ready for Facebook, will you be able to use this for the wider audience? Yes, you can. Okay, so just going back to the videos. Okay, what we can also provide on the video, I'll just go back into this one, is the custom tracking code. The custom tracking code is actually allows you to add, so let's say you want to do Facebook retargeting via the video, you would simply add the tracking code here. Or if you wanted to do Google Analytics, anywhere which provides a tracking code, you can add it here. And that will then be represented for the individual videos. Another feature with one of the upgrades as well, if you go to settings, you can actually choose a logo which what you want to add to the video. Again, a fantastic feature. If you wanted to make these videos, create these videos for clients, you can add the logo to them. You can add logos that you would want, and it's very easy to do. So, like I said, a brief introduction to the software and to show you how easy it is to do this. Very simple to use. Anybody could do this. Anybody could have the hotspots and make your videos interactive. Once again, thank you for listening.